I was gifted this Miss Rachel first birthday party decor set and I absolutely love it. So I've worked with this brand before and I'm always so impressed with one, the quality of their products, and two, how much you get in their packages. They literally give you everything you need. You do not need to add on anything else, which I love because I love to just kind of be one and done. Like I want to buy the decor, I want to buy the tableware set, and I don't want to have to add to it. I want to be able to get everything I need all in that one package, and this brand does such a great job of it. I am beyond impressed with what you get in this package. It is all so precious. I can't wait to show you everything. So let's take a closer look. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this banner. I absolutely love it. It is so nice and big, and all of the imagery is so clear, crisp, and vibrant, and it really is so fun. They also have 4 hanging holes here for you to make hanging so easy. I actually hung it up on top with thumbtacks right through those holes, and it was so easy. This is also like a fabric. It's not a plastic material. It's not paper. It's a fabric. So it's really nice and sturdy and will absolutely hold up for the duration of your party, and honestly is reusable. The next thing I want to show you is they provide you with the one balloon tower. I love these. I think they are so fun and festive. I've been seeing a lot of them lately. So they provide you with 3 boxes. I put one together here. Here's the other 2. They also give you with the letter cutout, so O, N, and E, as well as double-sided tape. I think you cannot have a kid's birthday without this tower. I think they are amazing. They also give you this amazing bag of balloons, so that way you could fill up your tower. There's an endless amount of balloons in here, and all the colors match the party set. So you are set on that. They also give you this cake topper, which is so cute. I love this so much. Again, super clear, crisp, and vibrant. They also give you this fun poster to fill out about your little one, like their nickname, the things they love, the things they could do so far, how big they are, first words, things like that. I always find these so fun at first birthdays. This is probably my favorite part. They also give you this adorable birthday crown. I think it is so beautiful. I love that it is sparkly. I love the little rainbow. I think this is just absolutely amazing. They also give you another must-have at a first birthday. They give you a banner making kit. So here you go for your monthly pictures. So it even has the little cutouts here. So all you need to do is print up those pictures, put them inside, and string together this banner, and you are good to go. You honestly don't even need to string it up. One year for one of my kids, I used little clothespins. That worked so well. There's a bunch of different things you could do. The options or the possibilities rather are endless with these, but you get all different colors, which is so beautiful. Again, it really matches that theme, and it's just so much easier that all you have to do is print out a picture, stick it in here, and you're good to go. They also give you this amazing high chair banner. So you have your pennants here that spell out 1, but underneath is a tool banner. So you could use this as a standalone, or you could add the one on top of it, but this is absolutely stunning. I actually want to give you a better view of this. So I feel like I needed to hold it up to give it a little more justice, but this is what this looks like. This is so darling. This is so cute. And what's nice too is this is reusable. So because the one is separate and you're gonna put that on a separate string, you could use this the following year. As decor, you can hang this up. Seriously, the possibilities are endless for this as well. This could absolutely be reusable. Let me show you, there's another banner I'm gonna show you, but I'm also gonna show you the balloons. So you also get some balloons included. You get this adorable daisy, which is so pretty. You get a sun. So here's the sun. Really nice and big too. And of course you get your number 1, which is tie-dye, but well, not really tie-dye, but it's the colors of the theme. So your blue, pink, and goldish yellow, even a little bit of orange in there, but it's just so beautiful and so fun. Let me show you the last banner. Okay, so here's the last banner. This one says happy birthday and has all of that Miss Rachel imagery. I absolutely love it. It's really nice and big. It's so readable. This really is going to make your party, all of this decor. And again, you just get so much included in this package. You really are set. This is all you need to buy. They provide all the materials to be able to put everything together. And it's just a huge to-do that you could cross off of your first birthday party to-do list. Highly recommend.